Hi guys, have you seen this kind of plant guys? This is Coppertone sansevieria. You try to look at this video guys. The leaves is very thick. And if you are familiar with this guys, you can compare this to other sansevieria guys. If you have seen this kind of plant. This sansevieria Coppertone is also a type of plant called snake plant. Oh. Other snake plant or family of Coppertone sansevieria, they have a thick, thin leaves. But this one is a hard, thick leaves. So, if you are familiar or if you want to know this more guys, you can like and share and comment guys. Thank you guys.